people, welcome back to my channel. For today's artwork we would need cobalt blue, lemon yellow, crimson lake, titanium white, brushes, tapes, palette and a pair of scissors. I started off painting the base white as I believe it would give my artwork a more nicer and a proper pop of color. The color does not need to be even. Then I started off cutting my tape and building in a nice geometrical pattern. You can obviously make any patterns you like, but I went in with a more abstract look for my painting. I'm making sure that I have a clean pattern. I'll go in with yellow first and I'll be putting it in the areas I like. You can obviously have a different selection of colors, but I went in for a more pastel look. Then I went in with the blue. Make sure to put proper amount of paint on the edges because after the tape is removed, you can't afford to have less amount of color inside the pattern. I'll be mixing in the white and crimson lake to make a much lighter pink shade. Slowly remove the tape because you do not want to rip off the paper. It's not a problem if the color has came underneath the tape because you can fix it with white. And that's what exactly I'm doing right now. Doesn't it look pretty? If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and share this video